I'm David Giger. I'm board member here at Fleetzero. Previously, I ran the Dragon spacecraft program at SpaceX for many years and was the VP of engineering at Relativity Space doing rockets, 3D printed rockets. Really excited to be joining the team here at Fleetzero and revolutionizing the maritime industry. I'm always attracted to, revolutionary transportation companies. Maritime has, in my view, been pretty stagnant for many decades, and so it seemed ripe for a company to come in and kind of take it to the next generation. And when I talked to Stephen and Mike, I just got super inspired by that vision of taking, this fairly sleepy giant industry into the next century and kind of doing it with the prowess that it should be, and bringing, America back to the forefront of that discussion. Kind of reminded me of what, SpaceX did. Fleetzero is doing something really special for the world. If we think about how much logistics and shipping happen around the world, it's a major industry, and so the fact that this pretty small company now is going to change the world in that front is really exciting. So, and the team here is some of the best in the world that I've worked with, and so going to deliver some really hard milestones.